Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine. My lecture number 3 is on number system, comparison of number. To do comparison of number, we have to know some things. Comparison of numbers, we have to know about two terms, which is greater to greatest, smaller to smallest. Now, what is greater and greatest? Greater mean big and greatest mean bigger. Greater का मतलब होता है बड़ा and greatest का मतलब होता है बहुत बड़ा. There is some stars on your screen. You have to see. This one is a small one. This is big and this is bigger. Hope you understand well. Now, what is smaller and what is smallest? Smaller mean less and smallest mean lesser. स्मॉलर का मतलब होता है कम एंड स्मॉलेस्ट का मतलब होता है बहुत. नाउ यू कैन सी 3 सन्स ऑन योर स्क्रीन. दिस इज बिगर, दिस इज लेस एंड दिस इज लेसर. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस पिक्चर, दिस सन इज अ बिग वन, दिस इज स्मॉल वन एंड दिस इज स्मॉलर. Choose the greater number. There are some numbers on your screen: 12, 23, 78, 99, 56, 65, 32 and 14. First we have to compare their tens, then ones. In 12 we have 1 tenth. In 23 we have 2 tenths. In 78 we have 7 tenths. In 99 we have 9 tenths. According to this line, the biggest number is 9. 9 is the biggest 10, so 9 is a bigger number. Then we have to compare ones: 2, 3, 8, 9. So 99 is a greater number in this line. In next line, 56, 65, 32 and 14. First we have to compare the tens: 5, 6, 3, 1. 6 is a bigger 10, so 65 is the greater number in this line. Now choose the smaller number. First we have some numbers: 12, 78, 95, 65. First we have to compare the tens, which is 1, 7, 9, 6. In this line we have 1 is the smallest 10, so 12 is the smallest numbers. In next line, 52, 63, 15 and 78. In this line, 5, 6, 1, 7 is a 10. So 1 is the smallest 10, so 15 is the smallest number. Mother's instruction: do the written practice of greater and smaller numbers. Clear the concept of greater and smaller, then move to the next. Thank you.